Subject Sketch Episode 2. Hello there, I am Arrow. Today, it's time for the elimination. Circle paper. Squarey. Paint bucket. Line. Text. Sketchbook. Glitch. Dot. Paintbrush. Okay, so today we got 5 votes. Certainly, don't worry, because you're safe with 0 votes. A and paint buckets are also safe with 0 votes too. Now it's down to paintbrush and glitch. Let's see who's eliminated and let's see who's not. So glitch is eliminated with 4 votes. Glitch has nothing to do with Okay, so it's time for the next challenge. The next challenge is to survive. Okay, so all the contestants will be in a dark room. Whoever 5 survives will get immunity, and the other 5 will be up for elimination. Go! I'm sure my chances of winning are 55.555 repeating percent. I thought my chances of winning were 55.555 repeating percent, but that dumb arrow made me lose. I can't believe it. Hey Arrow, where did Glitch go? Oh, Glitch went to the BOM. Oh, Glitch went to the box of marmalades. I see now. No, it's a box of monsters, you dumb. He's gonna get defeated by monsters. So, paintbrush is the next one safe. And paper is the next one up for elimination. Whoa! 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 You! That was close. I thought it was gonna be up for elimination. You think I have good dodging skills to dodge anything I see? Squeary, watch out! I wonder who'll be the next one up for elimination. I know it's not going to be me because I'm so skilled. Change. Oh great. Sorry, I was just joking that I was so skilled. So, vote for either paint bucket line, paper, paintbrush, or circlet to be eliminated. Voting ends at a random time. No, sir. That gray stuff is paintbrush. He's just burned. Where am I? Last time I remember being electrocuted. Lava falling on me. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to our channel, Obakids Link TV, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.